All right, let's study for our grammar test. Okay, so we've covered these skills over the last few weeks, and we're going to review them. So let's go over them so you can take your test on Friday. All right, what is a paragraph made of? So we've talked about that. A paragraph can be made up of 1 to many sentences with one main idea. All right, so can it be made up of 1 sentence? Yes. Can it be made up of 2 sentences? Yes. 3 sentences, 4 sentences, 20 sentences? Yes, it can. So paragraph, we've been working on writing paragraphs and having a topic sentence to it, and the details and the explanation sentences. They are about our topic sentence. So remember, our topic sentence tells the reader what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. What do you do to the first sentence of a paragraph would be our next question. So, what do we do? So we've talked about that, and we indent. So here's our answer. So you indent, and remember it's 1 finger space when you're writing, and it's about 5 spaces when you are on the computer. So, and that shows us where paragraphs start. So remember to try to remember to do that when you are writing your paragraphs. Number 3, so the topic sentence to a paragraph tells what about the paragraph. So I just covered that. So the topic sentence tells what the paragraph is going to be about. Tells the reader what the rest of the paragraph is going to be about. Green sentences. Okay. So metaphors, we've worked a little bit with that. Metaphors compare 2 things and make sentences paint a picture in your mind. So what writers do really is they use a metaphor to just another way to describe something. So they're comparing something to another, such as the following sentences. Write a sentence comparing a cloud to something. The clouds were cotton candy floating in the sky. So the 2 things that were compared were what? Comparing clouds to being like cotton candy floating in the sky. So that kind of what you could picture it in your mind as being a light fluffy cloud. Sometimes they're pink, like in the when the sun is setting, or it could be white cotton candy, because there's all different colors of cotton candy, isn't there? All right, comparing, so metaphors. What is an autobiography? Tells a true story of a person's life. So if you were to write an autobiography about yourself, that would be an autobiography. All right. Okay, compound words. 1 word made up of 2 words. So we're supposed to find the compound word. Out of all right, out of background, or also. Which one do you guys think? If you said background, you would be right. Back and ground are 2 words that make up 1 word, compound word. Now, all right sounds like it's made up of the word all and right. However, AL is not a word. ALL is a word, so all right is not a compound word, and neither is also. All and so are 2 words, but all is spelled ALL. So it has to be spelled correctly within the 1 word. So if also was spelled ALLSO, that would be a compound word, but it's not. So also is not a compound word. All right. Number 7, what is the plot of a story? The plot events are told in order they happen. So a plot, just events in a story or a movie. They are the events that happen in order within a story. So any of the events that happen that make up a story is the plot. All right, that is the easy one. Number 8, when you use time order words such as first, then, next, last, in the beginning, in the middle, in the end, lastly, what punctuation do you use after it? So you use a comma. So, for instance, first, comma, I went to the store. Next, comma, we went to dinner. So a comma is used after time order words. Okay. Number 9, give me a synonym. What is a synonym? it's just another word for a word. So it's the same word. So two words that mean the same thing. So if we said satisfied, the word happy would be a synonym for satisfied, or satisfied would be a synonym for happy. Improved, do better. And the word effort, give me a synonym for effort. Don't look, work hard. Okay, so don't look on the rest of these. Give me a synonym for the word ached. So it could be something like hurt. And a synonym for precious would be valuable or special. Okay, and then a synonym for courage. Okay, so another word would be brave. So there's synonyms are just words that sound, or not sound alike, words that mean the same thing. And where it's always good to come up with synonyms when you are writing, to come up with different words, especially when you're describing things, instead of always using the same words like or good. We can always come up with better words for those words. So synonyms are very good to when you are maybe defining a vocabulary word. So that's good to learn synonyms for different words. So synonyms come in handy. Okay, so if you had any questions about any of those skills, you can email me and I can help you out with that. You can listen to this video again, and then you would be ready for the test on Friday. Have a great day.